I'm on a 9-day, day 1 of a 9-day trip.
Day 1. Sit number 1. It was louder than fuck getting in here. I smell like ass, and my wind is bad. Day 2. After I got skunked this morning for the 2nd straight time. Well, way high, blacked out. Not sure if I used the wrong pen or if I overestimated my. He was closer than 30 for sure. I need to find those arrows because I only have one left if I lost both those. Fuck me.
I'm sure this day 3 was a real thrill to watch. Intro and now outro. It was even more of a thrill to hunt, let me tell you. Day 4. Morale is at an all-time low.
Day 5. Night 6, and I don't really think this spot is necessarily loaded up with deer, but it's what we have. The wind isn't good either. It's swirling. It's day 7, evening hunt. I'm starting to think that this is just going to be an episode of a bunch of panoramic views in my tree stands, and then that's it. It'll just end abruptly.
Well, this certainly is coming down to the wire. Thought for sure I'd have a tag filled by now, after 8 days.
Nothing. Not one deer. I need to start bringing liquor with me into the stand.
Day 9, here we are. This is it, last call. It has been tough, but it is almost, finally, mercifully over.
Had I known I wasn't going to get one, I would have drank way more beer. Well, I can't exactly explain why. I didn't have a good wind. I just didn't like it. I didn't like it.